Hey everyone! Are you trying to play PUBG Mobile but keep getting the message? Failed to log in, please try again, or server authentication error, login failed. Don't worry, in this video, I'll walk you through a few quick and easy fixes to get you back in the game. First, launch PUBG Mobile and on the home screen, tap the repair button. You'll find it on the right side. Make sure routine repair is selected, then tap OK. You'll see a message that says, Client repaired, please restart the game. Hit OK and relaunch PUBG to check if the problem is resolved. Still not working? You can try to reinstall the app or check your internet connection. Make sure you're connected to a strong Wi Fi network. If Wi Fi isn't working, switch it off and use mobile data instead. If nothing has worked so far, open PUBG Mobile again and try logging in using a different social method or account. That's it, and thank you.